Are you tired of struggling with mundane tasks like scheduling appointments, managing your finances, or troubleshooting Excel spreadsheets? Look no further than AI-powered technologies like ChatGPT. From healthcare and education to banking and travel, ChatGPT can assist with a wide range of tasks and provide personalized recommendations based on your preferences. Need help finding a new movie or book to enjoy? ChatGPT has got you covered. Want to learn a new language or improve your Excel skills? ChatGPT can assist with that too. Join the AI revolution and experience the convenience and efficiency of ChatGPT today. 1. Personal Assistant. AI-powered personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant can help you with various tasks such as making calls, sending messages, and scheduling appointments. With ChatGPT, you can get personalized recommendations for movies, books, and music based on your preferences. 2. Healthcare. AI is transforming the healthcare industry by helping doctors diagnose diseases, track patient progress, and even perform surgeries. ChatGPT can provide quick answers to health-related questions and suggest home remedies for minor ailments. 3. Education. AI-powered tutoring platforms can help students learn at their own pace and provide personalized feedback. ChatGPT can assist with homework assignments, offer study tips, and recommend resources for further learning. 4. Banking. AI-powered chatbots can assist with basic banking tasks such as checking account balances, transferring money, and paying bills. ChatGPT can provide financial advice, suggest investment options, and help you make informed financial decisions. 5. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries and provide 24/7 support. ChatGPT can answer frequently asked questions, resolve issues, and offer solutions to common problems. 6. Travel. AI-powered travel platforms can help you plan your trip, book flights, and find the best deals on hotels and rental cars. ChatGPT can suggest travel destinations based on your preferences and provide recommendations for things to do and places to eat. 7. Smart home. AI-powered smart home devices can control your lighting, temperature, and home security systems. ChatGPT can integrate with your smart home devices to help you manage them more efficiently. Point 8. Entertainment. AI-powered entertainment platforms can recommend movies, TV shows, and games based on your interests. ChatGPT can suggest new content to watch or play and offer personalized reviews and ratings. 9. Social media. AI-powered social media platforms can personalize your newsfeed and suggest new connections based on your interests. ChatGPT can help you craft better social media posts and provide advice on building your online presence. 10. Language learning. AI-powered language learning platforms can help you learn a new language at your own pace. ChatGPT can assist with language translation, provide language learning resources, and help you practice speaking and writing in a foreign language. Bonus tip. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can provide assistance with a wide range of tasks related to Microsoft Excel. Here are some ways that ChatGPT can help with Excel tasks. Formulas and functions. ChatGPT can assist in creating complex formulas and functions in Excel. You can ask ChatGPT to explain specific formulas or functions and even suggest a formula that will achieve the desired outcome. Data analysis. ChatGPT can help with data analysis by suggesting different types of charts and graphs to represent the data, as well as recommending Excel functions like pivot tables to organize and summarize data. Formatting and layout. ChatGPT can provide suggestions on how to format Excel spreadsheets and improve the layout for better readability. You can ask ChatGPT for tips on how to make a professional-looking Excel report or how to highlight specific data in a spreadsheet. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any errors or issues with an Excel spreadsheet, ChatGPT can help you troubleshoot the problem. You can ask ChatGPT to explain common Excel errors or provide suggestions on how to fix a specific issue. Excel tips and tricks. ChatGPT can also provide helpful tips and tricks for using Excel more efficiently. You can ask ChatGPT to explain how to use keyboard shortcuts, how to create custom formulas or functions, and how to automate repetitive tasks in Excel. Overall, ChatGPT can be a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their Excel skills and become more proficient in using the software. In conclusion, AI-powered technologies are transforming various industries, including healthcare, education, banking, customer service, travel, smart homes, entertainment, social media, and language learning. Personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant can help with daily tasks, while AI-powered tutoring platforms can provide personalized feedback to students. AI-powered chatbots can assist with basic banking tasks and handle customer inquiries, while AI-powered travel platforms can help plan trips and suggest travel destinations. AI-powered entertainment and social media platforms can personalize content based on interests. Additionally, AI language models like ChatGPT can assist with Microsoft Excel tasks, including creating complex formulas, data analysis, formatting, troubleshooting, and providing helpful tips and tricks for using the software more efficiently. Overall, AI-powered technologies like ChatGPT can improve productivity and efficiency in various industries and help people accomplish their goals more effectively.